Forces, these are things that define the way we live, work, and play. They're very important in our everyday lives, from the cars we drive to the way we walk even. We need forces. The word force is, so in Year 7 science, the way we define force is that it's a push, pull, or twist. Push, pull, twist, quite simply. Push, pull, or twist involving an interaction with an object. And that object can be anything. Another key word here is interaction. So that's a force. There's so many examples I can give. So for a push, for example, I'll do it over here. Push. So a push could be closing a drawer for a cupboard. It could be pushing a trolley at a supermarket, or even typing on your phone. So try and come up with another 3 examples, but these are 3 common examples that come to mind. So they're examples of a push, and you obviously have to be interacting with that object. So in each of these cases, the objects are a drawer, trolley, and a phone. You're interacting, you're touching it in this case. So they're examples of a push. Pull. Now when I think of pull, I think of like a rope, pulling like a rope, or even opening a fridge. Okay, you have to obviously pull the handle to open the fridge. Pulling your bag, the school bag off the floor, let's say, to leave for your next class. Or even pulling a chair back. Okay, pulling a chair back when you walk into a classroom, you pull the chair back so you can sit. And once again, these actions involving pulling involve interactions. You're interacting with the fridge, bag, and chair in this case. So that's pull, and then you have twist. Twist, there's so many things that come to mind, things including opening a jar of, let's say, jam. Okay, you've got to twist it. Opening a door, okay, using a doorknob to open it. Or even, I don't know, twisting a Bop It toy, one of those toys that you twist. So in this case, you need to interact with the jar, the door, and the Bop It toy, okay, in order for the force to take effect. And they're your examples of forces, 3 different actions that you can do: push, pull, or twist. So these are forces in action in everyday life. And the definition of a force up here, if we go back up here, it's a push, pull, or twist involving an interaction with an object. And that object can be anything. And that, in summary, is what a force is. And these are examples of different types of forces.